Good students, today I am going to teach you about how light travels. How light travels. Before it, I have taught you about light. But today we will study about how light travels. In this case, we show it by a practically that how light travel. In this case, we take three same cardboard and make a hole in a center. Make a hole at a center. Okay student, so these types of card you write name A and cardboard B and cardboard C. So these types of cardboard you can make or you make, and these three cardboard you arrange by this system A, here B and here C as you stand. Okay students, and cardboard A side we put a wax candle and wax burning candle, and its burning candle's flame should be in a level of 3 pinhole of the cardboard A, B and C. The burning flame level should be level in the pinhole, and after this arranging we see from other sides and see from this hole the light fall or light travel passing through from these three pinholes and fall on our eyes. Then we clearly see the flame of light or beam of light. When rays of group fall on the eyes, that is known as light of beam fall on our eyes, and we can clearly see the light of the candles. Okay student, in this case we can clearly see the light by this observation. But here in second case, arrange this and slightly middle cardboard slightly displaced, then the light cannot see from this side. We observe this side. When displaced the middle cardboard, then pinhole disturb, then we cannot see the flame of light by this side. So during these observations, we can show the light always move in a straight line. Here, look here, if this is in a same level, then we can see one side to other side, but slightly displaced. The level of pinhole is disturbed up and down, then we cannot see from one side to other side. So okay student, the slightly disturbed of the middle term cardboard, then pinhole not level A and C. Then B hole disturb, then light not fall on these eyes. When we see by this side the light, now we cannot see the flame of lights of the candle. So by this observation are two cases, so we can show, or by these practicals we can show the light always move or travel in a straight line, not in a curve. Here ray and beam, what is difference between ray and beam? Ray, this is known as ray. Any length starting from a point and travel in finite length, so that is known as ray. Ray can never measure. Here this system is known as ray. This shape is ray, or this length is ray. Here, but many rays move in a direction, so that is known as beam of light. That is known as beam of light. Beam of light or bundle of rays. Bundle of ray is also known as beam of light, or group of ray is known as beam of light. But this is ray. Okay, students, this portion is also very important. You learn it clearly. Here, then we by these practicals we can show the light always move in a straight line. Here, by this observation, the light always travels in a straight line. Okay, student, so this concept is very important. You follow it. After this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.